Hi, it's Elle from BoostNote. This tutorial is about how to upgrade your plan. I will cover the difference of each plan quickly first, and then show you how to upgrade it. Alright, let's get started. There is a pricing page on our official website, so let's check it out with me. After you came to the landing page boostnote.io, click Resources, and then click Pricing from the menu. Now you are on the pricing page and you can see that there are three plans. Free and Personal Pro are for individuals and Pro for teams. If it's personal use and would like to unlock all features such as revision history and public sharing options, Personal Pro would be a great choice. You can also have unlimited documents and 10 GB storage on cloud. If you want to share documents with other team members and collaborate with them, Pro plan would be perfect. You can invite unlimited members and create as many documents as you want. And each member can have 10 GB storage on cloud. If you want to know details, you can check through this page. We prepared the FAQ section as well. Now, I will show you how to upgrade your plan. To do that, click Settings and Members, and then Upgrade. You will see this pricing table, and you can choose one of them. If you want free trial first, you can click here too. You can try the paid plan for 2 whole weeks, and no credit card information is necessary for trying the plan. In this tutorial, I will choose Pro plan as an example because I already have another member in this team. You will see the price calculation and payment method form. Pro plan is $8 per member per month, and I have 2 members in this team, so it will be $16 per month. After you check the calculation, fill out the form and then click Subscribe. Now I subscribed this plan successfully, and Upgrade menu has changed to Billing menu. You can always edit card info and billing email from here, and check your billing history from here too. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure to thumbs up if you like it or found it helpful even a bit. Let us know what kind of tutorials you want to watch in our videos, and we will post regarding that as much as we can. And last but not least, if you found anything convenient or good ideas to improve the product, feel free to send us issues and pull requests on GitHub. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one, and have an awesome day. Bye!